Welcome back, guys. So this is a 2018 GMC Yukon. So the fan wouldn't stop. It kept going. So I had it's the coolant sensor. So let me show you right here. I got it at O'Reilly's. They had the part there. Let's see. This is it. Coolant sensor. So this sensor would be right in there. You can see right in there. I will show you step by step to taking it out. All right, we're back. So we gotta remove this. We'll just take it out. Let me set the camera down real quick. There it is. Struggling. So I take that one out, and then there's another one right over here. This one on the. All we do is press this down and pull. Down and pull. Okay. Next, we're by the master float. We loosen up this clamp. Once it's loosened it up, we just pull it out. Pull it out like that. Alright, next. Alright, last one. There's another clamp right here. As you can see right here. We will loosen that one up. So I got it out. I got the clamp, moved it over here, and now we could remove this. It's removed. We'll just place it to the side. Now, it's right here. We're removing this. To remove this, we got to remove this right here. So we got to put a pick in here, pressing it down, and with the pliers going right here, and pull it up. So I took it out right here. I had to pinch it. I had to poke it and then pull it out. So I'll put this aside. And now I gotta pinch right here and pull up. And there it is. As you can see, we took it out. There's a little bit of anything. See? Alright. Just clean it a little bit around here. Don't want to get it in there. So this is a new one. We're just gonna pop it up, put it in there. It already has a wrap in there. Push it in there, and then we'll keep going. We put it back already. So we're gonna put this back how it was. It was. Like that. It clicked. We're gonna put a little clamp right here again. Clicked.
the new one.
That looks good. We put it back. Put everything back how it was. We put this one, that one, and that one. We make sure everything is tight. Turn it on. Let's see how it is. There it is. As you can hear, you can't hear it. No fan on no more. Sounds good. No more fan. Let me turn it off. No fan. Woo, sheesh. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like it. See ya.